The Stars and Stripes represents the 13 original colonies and the 50 states in America. The first flag was made in 1777, but that flag only had 13 stars and 13 stripes. More and more stars got added as they discovered new land and new states, and the flag means a lot for the Americans. The Statue of Liberty was dedicated in 1886 and was a gift from the people of France. The statue is representing freedom and is welcoming new people to the country. It is located on the east coast on the Liberty Island. Uncle Sam is now just a symbol for many Americans, a symbol of patriotism and as the person representing the government of the United States. When he was alive himself, he was a businessman during the War of 1812 by the name of Samuel Wilson. He was used on the poster during both World Wars to recruit new people for the army. On June the 20th, 1782, the bald eagle was chosen as the national sign of the United States of America because of its long life, great strength, and majestic looks. At that time, the Americans also believed that it only existed in their country. The Mayflower was an English ship that transported the English pilgrims to what they then called the New World. The pilgrims were Puritanistic, and they were looking for a place to practice their religion in peace. In 1620, they landed in America, Plymouth. It was the first ship that traveled with pilgrims to America. A city upon a hill is a phrase from the Bible said by Jesus to his listeners. You are the light of the world. A city that is set on a hill cannot be hidden. The term is sometimes used in politics as a symbol of the pride that they have in their country. Though the Americans wanted to be a free country, some people think that you need to own a lot of expensive things so that you can show the world that you are able to get the best of the best, only to gain status and acknowledgement. From rags to riches is a way of describing a person that goes from extremely poor to wealthy. This is one of the things that America takes pride in. The fact that no matter background, no matter wealth, as long as you have the dedication and drive to succeed, you will. The Americans want their country to be this melting pot instead of a salad bowl, because in a melting pot, every culture and background mixes together into a new American society. They have abandoned their old culture and starts all over and in a salad bowl, they just won't mix. I think that the message this picture is sending is that the American dream just might be what it is, a dream. A quick fix in a cornflakes box seems satiric, and the American dream might just seem more unrealistic than ever. We know that money can't buy happiness, and I don't think that money by itself can fix the situation that the Americans are in. Sure, money is a part of it, but being free and happy with each other takes more than just a loan in the bank. People would have to be willing to sacrifice and change their own way of thinking, and to me, the idea of this happening just seems far too optimistic.